In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice chat in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a voice conversation, hear the AI's reply, and wrap up your session smoothly. Make sure you have a working microphone and a stable internet connection before we begin. First, open your web browser and go to Claude AI. If you're not already signed in, look for the sign in option and click it. This will take you to the login flow so you can access your account. Next, choose your account to continue. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to select a sign-in method and confirm your choice. If you see a continue button or a consent screen, go ahead and proceed. This simply authorizes access so you can use Claude without interruptions. Once you're signed in and on a new chat page, look toward the message bar at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a small microphone or sound wave icon. Click that icon to start voice mode. If your browser asks for permission to use your microphone, be sure to allow it. Otherwise, the AI won't be able to hear you. Now you're ready to speak. Begin talking naturally, just as you would with a person. Keep your request clear and focused, and pause briefly between thoughts, to give the system a moment to process. If you're not sure what to say, try something simple like, "Summarize this article," or "Help me plan a weekend trip." Headphones can help reduce echo and make the experience clearer on both ends. After you finish your prompt, wait a moment for the AI to respond through voice. You'll hear the reply, and you should also see the message appear in the chat area. If the audio sounds faint, check your device volume and make sure the correct microphone and speakers are selected in your system settings. When you're done with your voice exchange, click Stop to end voice mode. This stops the microphone from listening and returns you to regular text chat whenever you're ready. You can continue the conversation by typing, or click the microphone again to start another voice prompt. If you don't see the microphone icon, try refreshing the page, updating your browser, or ensuring mic permissions are allowed for the site. A quick restart of the browser often resolves minor glitches. That's it. You've learned how to access Claude, sign in, start a voice chat, listen to the response, and stop recording. Thanks for watching and enjoy your voice conversations with Claude AI.